Hi guys, I just finished school today, 2015, 16th of December, 12 o'clock. Well, today I went to McDonald's for lunch, and then my friend Kylo, he got me this magic 8-ball. So today I'll be unboxing it. And that's the bag, see? You shake it. You can see it, right? See, you can see it. Okay. I can't see it, but today we're unboxing this. So, I'll just open up from the top. Yeah. Oh wow. So now we take a wow. There we go. So guys, here's the 8-ball. It just basically popped out. This has never been used. So here's my magic 8-ball. See, now you can see it. Maybe if I move it back. See? You can start to see the little. There. Just. Oh, maybe if it works this way. See? Hey, do you look at this thing? I'm gonna shake it. Oh, you can see the little dot right there. Yeah. Okay? Is it certain? Well, so guys, here's my magic 8-ball. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, shall I delete this video or shall I keep it? So should I? Okay, should I delete this video? Okay, should I delete this video or not? Please. Most likely. That means probably. So no, I'm not. So guys, enjoy this video. Next time, bye.